Hi, Zena Solomon coming to you right outside of the Apple Store in Midtown Manhattan, New York City, which is right on the corner of 59th and 5th Avenue. This is my first time here actually in this location, and it's absolutely beautiful and stunning. And what I wanted to share with you is a couple of things. One is what I really love about New York City, and the other thing is I have a quick tip for you if you're a commuter. So what I really love about New York City is everything is numbered and it's very easy to find. Either if you're driving or if you're walking as a pedestrian, either way you can find your way around in New York if you're not from around the city. So and I've been commuting into the city for a few months now, and have been actually taking the train to get into the city and just walking around and all that, and it's been a lot of fun and just so exciting. Just the energy of New York is absolutely amazing and stunning. The tip I have for you if you're a commuter is, and what I found to be very helpful is that when you plan your schedule ahead of time and you spend the time to actually, say, take the bus or the train and then walk to your destination, whatever your final destination is, you actually end up putting in a workout. If you think about it, it took me about 1.7 miles to walk from Penn Station directly to the Apple Store here, and 1.7 miles is not a lot if you think about it. I mean, I'm a long distance runner, so 1.7 miles is not too much for me. And it just, you know, you actually get a workout in. I do believe that our bodies are designed to move, and we're created to move, so absolutely create the time to even put in a small workout, even if you have a very busy schedule and you're a commuter. So just a quick tip I wanted to share with you. I really enjoy coming into the city, specifically to like walk around and just hang out, and I like taking pictures, so I do stop frequently and I do take pictures of things that are of interest to me. So I do like to smell the roses. That's my way of smelling the roses. So anyway, I hope this tip assisted you, and I look forward to connecting with you in a subsequent video. Feel free to like, comment, and share this video, and also have a link to my fan page. I encourage you to visit my fan page and also like my fan page. I do put content on there that is of inspirational and wellness related, and I encourage you to go on there. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.